to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to light whip in under 3 minutes. That's right, you heard me. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys to hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get started. You have just purchased a whip and you don't know how to get started. Now, the two basic fundamental moves that will set you up for any other type of concept is your body tracing and lacing. So body lacing is, if you were to think about the whip being like a circle, and you are in the middle of that circle. So you are lacing it around you. Now, in order to do this, there are two different ways that you can go about it. You can either go over your wrist and scoop under your wrist and keep it essentially in this area when you are body lacing, or you can actually grab the fibers as you are body lacing. You can also maybe mix it up and go from wrist to grabbing the fibers to wrist, whichever concept you feel like works best. Now, you can lace all around your body, like I just did from leg to leg, go up around your body, and even just this alone is enough to impress people because of the way that the fibers look. Now, the other concept is your body tracing. So think about this as a type of pencil that you're holding, and you're just tracing over different body parts. So maybe over my wrist, my knee, maybe go from elbow to elbow, over your head. Very, very simple yet effective concept. You can go from knee to knee. So this will set you up to get that really smooth looking flow that will wow your audience. The next thing that I want you to learn, which is the basics for fiber wielding, which is a concept based off of rope dart. I want you to grab the whip at about arm's length away from the base by the fibers and just play around with spinning it in circles. Maybe you want to stall it. These are the 3 basic building blocks for your light whipping. So I want you to grab your whip and start getting familiar with it and seeing what moves and what kind of flow that you can come up with. If you thought that this video was helpful, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And of course, leave me a comment if there's a particular concept that you want to learn and you haven't found a tutorial on. I am more than happy to help you guys. So happy whipping, and I will see you guys in the next one.